don't want to be negative. We're stranded. We are literally in a snowstorm on the side of the Atlas Mountains. The truck in front is skidded. Where's he going? Oh my god, where's he going? Morocco, I knew you were going to be an adventure, but you're testing it. When you think of the Sahara Desert in Africa, you don't necessarily think of snow, and you guessed it, even more snow. Join us on this journey as we spend 3 days in the Merzouga Desert in a blizzard while we try to enjoy ourselves. So let's go. It all starts now.
Let the light pour in the colors run. Like midnight skies need northern stars. I think home is right where you are.
Alright guys, so we've made a pit stop here because it's actually snowed on the Atlas Mountains and it's blocked off the road. So myself and Dane and Omar, we're riding shotgun. We don't know how long this is going to be, we're just stuck. Who knew that we'd go to the desert and we'd be stuck in a snowstorm? Come on.
I didn't know that was a thing in the desert.
What in the Murphy's Law is going on? I'm not really sure what's happening. The police have just drove past and Omar keeps joking that we have to come back to Marrakech, so I don't know.
I'm hoping that's not the case.
He said we could be here hours. I don't know at what point we call quits. Like, just FYI, we have like 2 litres of water in the Kinder Bueno to keep us going over. Literally stuck 3 hours. We're trying to get a coffee in this rain. This is absolute insanity. It's a bad day to wear white. So we've just come to a really random coffee shop, myself and Dave. Go try and get coffee, warm up, head back to the bus, and hopefully Omar hasn't left us stranded. Alright guys, bottoms up.
That's really good, that's really good. It's nice and sweet.
And she still got salt in her old sneakers, just to remind her that she used to have adventures.
Guys, we just spoke to the guy inside and he said this road's been shut since 8 p.m. yesterday and there's no western toilets around and your girl can't squat that low, so I don't know what's going to happen. You're going to have to send your post to this Peugeot van because we just live here now. This is our permanent address. We have not moved, we've not had any updates. We've had a few people walk past the van and go, and I've asked Omar what's wrong and he just said, just wait. So basically we've been told it's going to get worse. So if we do get past here and we need to come back,
we might be stuck.
There's no coming back.
I finished my crackers, so I'm out of snacks, and that's never a good sign.
And I'm out of Kinder Buenos, and I still haven't peed since like 7 o'clock this morning.
First world problems right here. Oh. But there are problems, so they're valid.
Yeah, they are. Don't dismiss it. Lads, I'm literally going to burst myself, and I just can't. Like, I'm going to get stage fright if I have to use these. Like I don't know.
The squatty potties. That's what I call them.
I can't.
I'm the bad omen. If you watch any of my videos, you know this is likely to happen.
Is it me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama.
By the way, this is a good time for a plug. If you haven't watched his videos, you need to go check him out. Dane Luca travels all around the world. He did how many countries last year?
I don't remember. Like a few.
The limit does not exist.
The limit does not exist.
I'm going to link him anyways. Amazing. Check him out.
3 hours later.
We're on the move. I don't want to seem demanding, but I really need to pee and we are literally trapped on the side of a snowstorm. I don't know how much longer I can hold it. We're like moving at a snail's pace because obviously safety, you know, because it's like the roads is a sheet of ice and we're on this like literally a cliff edge. The trust that I have in this man that we've just met.
1 eternity later.
There's bathrooms, guys, there's bathrooms. Next stop was lunch, and the guys working here, well, they were very friendly, and to be fair, we were all just really happy to be off the bus and have a break from it. But to be completely honest with you, the food was, at very best, edible. So don't come on this tour thinking that you're going to be getting gourmet meals. You have to think of it more like fuel than food. No, it's not a mirage. We made it!
That was sweet.
Yes, we have a heater, Dane.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
This is yay, it's a western toilet. This is absolutely fine.
Hairful defense shampoo for men. You heard it here first. We have a sachet each, Lauren.
Sponsored by Chasing Dane. We're checked in, put some jumpers on, we're gonna head down for late dinner, it's like 9:30. But after 14 hours on the bus, we have arrived!
We made it!
I grabbed a spot near the fire, desperately needed after the blizzard, and for dinner we had lentil soup, vegetable couscous, tagine, meatballs, and the locals played some lovely traditional music to keep us all entertained. Guys, the roads are a sheet of ice, there's just black ice everywhere, and the truck in front is skidded. Lads, this is absolutely insane. This whole bus here is skidded. Now we're all just waiting for Mr. Plough to come. And your girl is literally wearing my Grinch pajamas underneath my clothes because it's so cold. Quick pit stop, go into the bathroom. We've got a Berber tour guide. I think we're going to meet a local family. Not too sure.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mulai. You are really welcome in my city, Tangier. Hello, everybody.
Best tour guide, best tour guide.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Being totally transparent, I had absolutely no idea what was happening at this point. We were brought into a local's home and we all just queued up to use their toilet. Then they very kindly brought in a clay pot with hot coals to help keep us all warm. After that, we were then taken into a maze of rugs, a beautiful place filled with so many colours. The guy who works there with his sister was very funny and charming. He served us all tea and he explained about the different types of wool that they use, and then he let us have a feel of cactus wool. Now, I don't know about you, but I never even knew that you could make rugs out of cactuses. He said all the colours that they use, they're all natural and found in nature, and he then proceeded to show us rug after rug after rug after rug after rug. And if that pitch wasn't enough to sell you, he then went on to demonstrate how sturdy the rugs actually are.
Hey, it works. Very good carpets.
Sorry, this is massage for carpets. It's massage.
You say thank you.
Wow. That was the carpet shop. Very nice family, had some lovely tea, so some nice carpets. It is literally like Aladdin's cave in here. There's just walls and walls of carpets. It's beautiful, it's very Instagrammable. Hi. Where are we going? Across the road? We're all jumping to stay warm. Up next, lunchtime. This guy's ready for it.
I need some food right now.
Marvin.
I'm very hungry.
Ocean breeze, waters deep, come with me.
A quick 20-minute drive later, we arrived at the restaurant. Same as the day before, the staff were very friendly. My food was grand, but some of our group were served undercooked chicken, so maybe stick to the veggie options on this tour, you know, just to be on the safe side. And after that, we literally had 2 minutes to see Todra Gorge as it was lashing rain, and we also needed to make up for lost time. At one point, I thought the minibus was going to be swept away by the flooded roads, but luckily for us, Omar is one hell of a driver. And then, as if by magic, the sun reared its head as we arrived to the scenic lookout spot.
We'll leave it all behind. We'll run into the land where the sun paints the sea.
The Grinch jammies are coming off, guys. We're officially in the desert. Woohoo! Shades on. Let's rock and roll.
Already. Let's go.
I'm going way out into the open. I'm going straight in, all in the moment. I'll go out into the open. Out into the open. Wide open land, I'm coming. Wide open land, I'm coming. Keep riding to the silence, alone in the quiet. I'm tired, but I like it. I'm a long way from home. Let the
Okay.
Okay guys, so we have just checked into the desert camp. To be fair to them, they did upgrade me indeed. I say it upgrade. Basically we didn't want to be right beside like the restaurant area because we like to get up for sunrise. They've moved us into a bigger kind of room, and I just don't know what I thought this was going to be. We have a double bed, a single bed, a double bed. The sheets on the bed don't actually fit the mattress. I'm going to need a tetanus after this. Oh god, it's like sleeping on rocks. It's hard. It's hard. Okay, you know what? It's a bed. It's fine. It will do for the night. The only thing I'm worried about is like there's literal black marks on my pillowcase. There's no lock on the door, and we have about like over $2,000 worth of camera equipment, I guess, sitting in this room. So I'll sleep with one eye open tonight. Obviously the guides are fine. I just don't know who I'm sleeping next to either side. All right, let's go get some food or something. It's a positive experience. It's a new experience.
Character building.
Character building is the word.
We're in this together.
We are in this together.
We're in this together.
Oh god. Okay, let's do this. Alright guys, electricity's gone out, so we're just living by torches. There's no sockets anywhere, so once my camera dies and my phone dies, we're on our own. It's all part of the adventure. Like the team is all back together. Morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Okay, we don't really know what's happening now. We're just waiting for the guide. I guess we're going to do sandboarding and camels, but good news is no rain. Hey. Guys, that was the end of that camel ride. It was short-lived. I actually love doing the camel rides and I love doing the sandboarding. I just wish there was more of it, and I just wish there was more free time to roam the dunes and explore. Because we travelled here for like 2 days, we really only probably got like an hour of like our time to do stuff, and if we hadn't grabbed the sandboard ourselves and taken it upon ourselves to try it, we wouldn't have got to go. I literally got like that little 20-second go and that was it. So if you are planning to come here, I would recommend, one, stay in a luxury camp if that's your vibe, because it's bare minimum basics here.
The wind is literally blowing through our fucking tent.
The walls are moving.
And two, do like a private tour, because then you can do sandboards, you can do ATVs, you can take like the camels out for treks, and you can get all your photos and videos without feeling like you're massively under pressure. So yeah, but apart from that, I've absolutely loved my time here. Doing the camels and running around the dunes, that's been the highlight of my trip so far. Okay, I think we're getting a wee bit of breakfast, back on the bus, and we'll see you guys back in Marrakech.